ZE500 Ribbon and Media Sensor Calibration. Press Setup. Go to the Media and Ribbon Calibrate menu option. Press the plus button to calibrate the ribbon. The control panel will show Load Backing. Remove the labels from about 8 inches, or 200 millimeters, of the liner. Open the media door. Open the print head and the pinch assembly. Pull the media back into the print engine so that only the liner is between the media sensors. Close the print head and the pinch assembly. Close the media door. Press plus to continue. The control panel will show Remove Ribbon. Open the media door. Open the print head. Move the ribbon to the side. Close the print head and the media door. Press plus to begin calibrating the media. The control panel will show Calibrating. Please wait. Wait until the control panel changes to Reload All. Open the media door. Open the print head and the pinch assembly. Adjust the media and ribbon. Close the print head and the pinch assembly. Close the media door. Press plus. Press Setup Exit, then right arrow to save your changes. Your media and ribbon sensors are now calibrated.